Welcome to Ride JBI. This is JB. Today we finished revalving a set of 2019 Kawasaki KX450 suspension. This was revalved to the JBI suspension motocross spec. The forks received our Pro Fork setting. That is our revalve with additional hardware upgrades. The shock received a revalve as well, along with the bladder cap being changed out from the stock silver unit to the green JBI bladder cap that features a Schrader valve. The JBI suspension black bumper was added, replacing the stock yellow bumper. The JBI Suspension Pro Fork Kit is available as a service where you can send in your forks and we will build it to that spec, or we can also provide it to you as a DIY kit. All JBI suspension services and parts can be found at ridejbi.com.